So in the last video, I didn't know how to convert a float to an integer. But what I mean by that too is so in Java we call this typecasting. In Python they call it explicit conversion. And this is when data type conversion takes place because you clearly defined it in your program. So we're basically forcing an expression to be a specific type. What do I mean by that? Well, so say we have multiple variables, right? A, B, C, and one's equal to 1.2, the other's equal to 2.2, the other's equal to 3.2. So when we print A plus B plus C, we get 6.6, 0, 0, 0, 5, right? But say we want this to be an integer, right? We want our result to just be 6 minus the decimal. So here what we do is we type int and then we do A plus B plus C, right? And then as you can see we have 6. Also say we have a variable D, right? And we want A plus B plus C to be assigned to D. You could do it as so, and it works. Now what if you want it to be a float, right? You could easily do that. So say we have E, F, and G, and we have our integers 1, 2, 3, right? So when we print E plus F plus G, we get 6, whereas if we were to cast it, E, F, G, I think I'm missing some spaces here. Oh yeah, missing pluses actually. So we get 6.0. So you see we casted this from an integer values to a float. And I think that's really important too, especially when when in the future you're going to be running into situations where you do have to cast your results or maybe a variable into either a float or an integer. So it is pretty important that you know how to do this. And that's exactly why I went out of my way to learn how to do this, because I know I'm going to be running into a situation where this is actually valuable. So with that in mind too, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave in the comment section and or shoot me an email. But yeah, we're going to keep going.